Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. This is Ogomwadi. Guys, today I want to show you how I make a quick Nigerian tomato stew. We all know how long it takes to make a perfect stew, but today is going to be a quick one. Let me tell you why. Over here is my tomato that is already fried. All I had in it was the onions and the oil that I fried it with. Nothing else, no spice. I just kept it like this so that anytime I'm ready to cook, I'll just take some of it and do my cooking. It could be used for jollof rice, vegetable rice, stew, and every other thing you use your tomato for. Here I have the chicken stock, which I got from the chicken that I boiled. This is the chicken I'm going to be using. I'm using the hard fowl. I already grilled it. This is the fat I brought out from the oil because I froze the chicken stock in the freezer, so I was able to bring out some some oil that I could use for any other recipe that I want to. Now these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using stock cube, curry powder, thyme leaves, and this is my special ingredient, fresh basil leaf. Guys, this is going to give it an authentic taste of that Nigerian tomato stew. And of course I have water here. I might not need it, but I just have it just in case I need to loosen the thickness of the stew. And I have my pot here, so let's get into this fast cooking. Alright, let me put this right here. So because this is already fried, you see 40% of my job is already done. I'm just going to take the quantity of fried tomato that I need and allow it to sizzle a little bit. And then I start adding my spices. But for now, let me just give it like because it just came out of the freezer, let me give it 2 minutes to sizzle up. Continue. Okay, so now the seasoning has, the tomato is kind of warm. So I'm going to go ahead and put like a full teaspoon of curry powder. Not so full, teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to use a full teaspoon of the seasoning cube, and I'm going to give it a stir. Guys, remember the tomato has been previously fried, so I don't have to do much. So I'm going to allow this. Oh, I forgot something. I'm going to need salt. Yeah, let me add just a little because I have salt inside the chicken stock, but just a little because I know I didn't put it on. So because the tomato is already fried, I'm going to be adding my grilled chicken so that everything will fry together and the chicken can get, the sauce can get into the chicken properly. I'm just going to allow them to cook for like 10 minutes. Yeah, while I proceed. So 10 minutes. So guys, as you can see, our sauce is quite ready, properly fried. The sauce, the chicken has been, in the sauce also all the while, and everything has synced in together. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the chicken stock that I have here. I'm not going to be using everything, so I'm going to need some. Now, this is where the water is going to come in. But before I add water, I'm going to allow this to just cook like for 5 minutes. Then I add a little water because I could see that this stew might be so thick. So let me just allow it to go ahead and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And then I can go ahead and add a little water to, Oh, guys, something I forgot, which is of utmost importance. The tomato I fried really has no pepper in it. You could skip it if you don't like hot pepper. This is Scotch bonnet pepper that I already blended. So I'm adding it to just cook together. So let's give 5 to 6 minutes and let it cool. Let it cook. Okay. This is quite ready. Now this is the final step. My fresh basil leaf, I'm just going to use my hand, cut it. Basil leaf has a very beautiful flavor. Alright, let me give it like just 3 minutes and that's it. Okay guys, now we turn off the stove. Give it a last stir. Gently. I ended up not really adding water, but I know that when it cools, it might thicken much, but that's fine. I think it's okay. Let me just put it in the plate for you to see how it looks. And there we go. Your Nigerian authentic stew. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today to make this stew. Remember, always have a tomato base, so your stew will be very, very fast and easy to cook. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. I love to be a member of your family. Thank you so much for watching me. It's bye from Olga. Bye bye.